And we are exploring a new beach location in Stockholm on my YouTube channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. And I am today in the neighborhood called Gröndal, and more specifically at the public beach called Ormbergets, which in translation means the snake hill, because Orm means snake. And it is quite a nice beach overall. However, the most disturbing factor about the beach is that it's right close and next to the E4, or so called in Swedish E4, the motorway. So many trucks and cars are passing by. However, on a positive note, it has a very nice platform and dock over here with 3 separate entrances into the water, and a super nice rocky part that you can see, and some apartment buildings that are overlooking the lake and the beach, and also a nice beach promenade along the lake, which is Lake Mälaren. And yes, 9th of November today, 7 degrees Celsius in the air, and we have light rain. It took me around 7.5 kilometers to reach this spot from my home, so it's quite close. And it's also close to the center of the city, because what you can see on the other side, I'm gonna tell you now, is, so that's the E4 Motorway. That in the middle there is Stora Essingen, another island in Stockholm. Then we have Lilla Essingen, that they are connected with a bridge between them. Another island is Lilla Essingen. Then we have Kungsholmen, and I can see my building that I had lived in during my first year in Sweden, the big white building. We can see also Västerbron bridge, and almost all the way to Stadshuset, but not quite. That's Mälaren right in the middle there. And yes, this is a nice rock over here, and that's why it's called Ormbergets Klippbad, because it is a rocky beach. And yes, I have been here once before, but it was quite a long time ago. So I think it was about time, as I was running out of content for beach ideas. But actually it is the first time I'm here this year, so this is the first premiere of this beach this year on my channel. And yes, let's then choose this middle entry, as we have nice views. Actually, I'm going to choose that one, the last one, because it's more closer to the city. So, right. Oh, there are so many steps in this one. Quite fancy, if you ask me. And yes, obviously I'm all alone, but there are a few people passing by on their lunch walks or lunch runs here. But I still can't take out the fact that it's right next to the motorway. So probably I won't recommend this beach if you don't like noises. Otherwise, for a quick dip, I think it's enough. Okay, my legs are in, but I forgot to go in with the thermometer. So we're gonna see soon what is the temperature in the water. And you see my camera is a bit filled with raindrops because it is raining. But you know, Stockholm rain is not the best, not the toughest rain to experience, because it's barely raining here. So okay, time for the verdict before we dive in. So this is obviously Lake Mälaren, and it was around 8 degrees previously, and it is still 8 degrees. I'm still shocked how can this huge lake maintain this type of temperature, because you know it has been also temperatures close to zero. So anyway, we are then continuing for today's dip, a wonderful Thursday here in Stockholm. Oh, okay. 8 degrees, but a bit chilly. Okay, with this nice view over Stockholm in the background, we're gonna do today's beach adventure in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! I almost touched the ground here. It's not that deep, but I can't stand anyway. So, okay. That was a nice and quick dip today in Ormbergets Klippbad. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again tomorrow with another beach location on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!